Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to my live stream. My dear friend, welcome to my live stream. So मैं आ गया आपको मेंटर माइन एक नया प्रोजेक्ट लेकर जिसका नाम है मैंगो नेटवर्क MGO. ओके, मैं आज बात करूँगा मैंगो नेटवर्क MGO के बारे में. तो मेरे साथ रहना और मुझे सपोर्ट करते रहना, फॉलो कर देना और शेयर भी कर देना. जिस बंदे ने आया हो सभी के लिए मैं ये कह रही हूँ, जो बंदे मेरा लाइव के अंदर आ रही हो सभी के लिए मैं सिर्फ ये कह रही हूँ, आप हो सके तो फॉलो कर देना और शेयर कर देना. ओके, so right now I talk about that gate will initially list Mango Network MGO sport trading net sport trading stake ETH MGO in LAUNCHPOOL to earn MGO hourly. Gate will list Mango Network MGO for sport trading at 9 on June 2024 2025 UTC. To reward our users, you can stake ETHMGO in Mango Network MGO Launchpool to earn 60 million 400,000 MGO Yardo for free with rewards distributed every hour. So Mango Network MGO Sport Trading start June 24 2025 9 UTC. Deposit MGO www.gate.com/my account/deposit MGO. Okay, this is our deposit link. And then Mango Network MGO launch pool is taking period June 23 2025 at 12 July 7 2025 at 12 UTC, and total staking rewards 16 million 4 lakh MGO. And unlocking rules: 100% unlock. Gate launch pool allows user can stake early. You can stake your assets before the project officially launches, so ensuring you start earning rewards immediately once mining begin. Okay, and reward distribution: the system will distribute token rewards to user sport account every hour based on the proportion of assets staked by each user. Get launch pool frequency: how to participate: log into your Gate account and complete identity verification, navigate to launch pool, hold at least 0.0003 ETH, 1 MGO, click stake. Okay, and then exclusive staking limit privilege for VIP user. VIP 5 and above user enjoy exclusive staking limits when participating in launch pool with up to 500% staking limit bonus. And VIP level: VIP 0 to VIP 4 ETH pool maximum staking amount 300 ETH, VIP 5 450 ETH plus 50%, and VIP 6 600 ETH plus 100%, and VIP 7 780 ETH plus 160%, VIP 8 1020 ETH plus 240%, VIP 9 1350 ETH plus 350%, and VIP 10 to VIP 16 1800 ETH plus 500%. This is a really amazing opportunity. And project information provided by the Mango Network MGO team. Please follow the Mango Network MGO website for more details. Introduction: Mango Network is a layer 1 with a multi BM on-chain infrastructure, primarily addressing multiple pain points such as fragmented user experience and liquidity in Web3 application and DeFi protocols. It integrate the core advantage of Move. So OP stake and GK rollup, building an efficient blockchain network that supports across chain communication and multi-virtual machine interoperability. Both supports Move BM and EVM and SBM, providing developers and user with secure, modular and high performance Web3 infrastructure. Token name Mango Network, token symbol MGO, and max supplied 10 billion, and token type mainnet, token ID no, and token distribution and unlocking rules. Fundraise sale 15%, 10% unlock, and TGA clip 6 month laser monthly place LMR 10 to 36 month with 10 by 1 by 10 or 1 by 36 unlock each month, and team 15%. And after TGA locked off for 1 year, followed by linear quarterly unlock over 48 month with 1 by 16 unlock each quarter. Advice or 3%, 10% unlocked at TGA clip. So 6 month linear month please LMR 36 month with 1 by 36 unlock each month, and foundation 20% unlock at TGA with a remaining protocol unlock the stage according to the proposal application over to total period of 48 month. Airdrop testnet 5% unlock to TGA, ecosystem 70% and 30% unlock at TGA with the remaining portion unlock in stage according to the proposal application over a total period of 48 months. And airdrop mainnet 5%. After TGA, the specific release amount will be determined based on the actual mainnet airdrop event. Validator is taking 20%, is taking from Q2 2025, and the specific release amount will be determined based on the actual node staking on other staking rewards. And website mangonet.io, and the white paper mango api magnet.io like oblique and file. Okay, and now nodes. First of all, I did the whole page and then I click the website and page. Okay everyone, so nodes. Number one, get launchpool is innovative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GTBTC, ETH, USDT or other token to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. And number two, please complete identity verification before the participate in launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assets. And number three, please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating in it. Cheating behavior is prohibited and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. And number four, where any discrepancy areas between the translated version and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. And number five, get reserves all right to the final explanation. Number six, the event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. And number seven, user in the United Kingdom and other restricted location cannot access the services including the participation in this event, game or competition. See the user agreement for further details on restricted location. Okay, and then risk warning. Number one, the project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its initial sale price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. And number two, the crypto project is still it is initial stage factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project, and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risks. And number three, advantage technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risks of crypto asset investment. And number four, the market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory and marketing factors. And number five, user may not be able to withdraw all the purchases token due to technical issue of the project or gate. So thanks a lot for watching my live everyone. So I'm your mentor mind. So right now I talk about that Mango Network MGO sport trading project. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for supporting me, और thank you so much for coming my live stream and मेरा live पे join हुआ है जो बंदे उसके नाम भी मैं पढ़ने चाहिए ना. So Hani 2025, thank you so much for coming my live stream. Kuja Polas का gate user Shiva 1311, thank you so much for coming my live stream. Me 007, thank you so much. And Jalaluddin Rumi, thank you so much. Rutoba, thank you so much. Many more gate user, and also BTC Thon, thank you so much for coming my live stream. Sakura, thank you so much. Fufu88 Elijah, thank you so much. Amar Hassan Q1, thank you so much. Morchedan, thank you so much. Good Young, thank you so much. Come once, thank you so much. Kia07, thank you so much. Mahfuzur Rahman, and also many more great users. Thank you so much everyone for supporting me, or thank you so much for coming my live stream. So right now I'm going to Mango Network official website. So Mango Network multi VM OM omni-chain infrastructure network, secure modular high performance, right, and multi VM omni-chain. Okay, so 380 ms transaction finally, and 2,97,450 TPS water per second. Oh my god, it's really amazing. And Mango Omnichain offers ultimate advantage experience and predicted freedom in the Web3 world. And Omnichain base get native experience on any chain. So, aggregate liquidity, maximize liquidity efficiency, and trusted cross-chain seamlessly contact to other decentralized assets thought the Mango cross-chain protocol for secure and reliable service, and composability and interoperability, non-reversing asset with composable use case with DeFi ecosystem. Okay. This is our Mango Network MGO official website. Okay, so everyone, you also see that, right? So now I am going to the white paper. Okay, and this is our Mango Network white paper. So everyone, just focus in my live stream, or at least non-stop 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, at least non-stop stay in my live stream 15 to 20 minutes. You have a big reward from great.io. That's why every day I telling you for a big opportunity. So don't miss that everyone. जो बंदे मेरा लाइव के अंदर सुन पा रही हो, सभी के लिए मैं ये कह रही हूँ, गेट आयो ने अनाउंसमेंट जो किया है वो है कि जो बंदे 15 मिनट से लेकर 20 मिनट तक नॉन स्टॉप यहाँ पे रुकेगा और उसके साथ साथ कमेंट करेगा, शेयर कर देगा, उसको भी गेट आओ की तरफ से वीआईपी मिलेगा, और उसके साथ साथ फ्यूचर वाउचर मिलेगा, एयर ड्रॉप मिलेगा, बहुत सारे बिग रिवॉर्ड आपको मिलेगा. ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस नहीं करना, ज़रूर यहाँ पे आप कोशिश करना ये अपॉर्चुनिटी पाने के लिए. सो समझ गए हो ना मेरे बात. Alright, now I talk about the Mango Network MGO project. This is our white paper. So multi-chain omni-chain infrastructure network. So abstract. So in response to the multiple pain points such a fragmented user experience and liquidity issue in Web3 application and DeFi protocol, Mango Network has proposed in multi-VM full chain infrastructure network solution as a layer 1. It integrates the core advantage of OP stake technology and move VM to create an efficient blockchain network that supports cross-chain communication and multi-VM interoperability. This infrastructure offers developers and users secure, modular, and high-performance Web3 environment, achieving a thoughtful throughput of over 2,97,450 TPS. It provides a robust foundation for core applications such as non-custodial decentralized liquidity staking, lending POS, staking, and GameFi, allowing participants to experience unpredicted freedom within the Web3 ecosystem. Okay, and now Web 3.0 public chain leader move a 1.1 move emergent background. So in 2019, Meta formerly Facebook introduced the global circulation of the sovereign digital currency project Libra. Thought out this process, Libra and the DEEM team left behind a valuable legacy, the Move language that addresses the shortcoming of Solidity and EVM, as well as the derived public chain team. So Move language is a resource oriented programming language that borrows syntax and semantics from languages such as Rust, Cyclone, and ADA, the Move language. Okay. So 1.3.1 programming asset as the first class. Okay, already I missed that this line. Okay, right now. So aims to provide an high performance and secure. Okay. Okay. Secure and reliable programming environment for blockchain application. It is a programming language designed specifically for digital asset. And 1.2 advantage for Moop serious public chain. Moop has been redefined digital asset, believing that token asset are a unique and important from a data that should not be defined and represented using originally numerical types. Therefore, Moop has created resource to define on-chain assets separately. Moop language lowers that security threshold for developers, allowing contract developers to focus on business logic and write highly secure code, avoiding security vulnerabilities caused by low-level bugs. This is what makes DeFi decentralized finance safer and gives peace of mint to node users. 1.3 characteristics of Moop language. Moop aims to provide secure, efficient, and modular development solution for the distributed application. The core idea of the Moop language is break down complex programming tasks into multiple modular extensibility, reducing complexity and lowering the probability of errors in programming. And then Mango 1.3.1 programming asset, the first class resources. Okay, so the Moop language abstract for our activities of resources, copyable, indexable, droppable, and steerable with different combinations of these attributes. Okay, users cannot easily define any type of resource. The specified resources will be stored in a modular control by the owner's account represented by a verified owner. Single the owner of these resources has the ultimate decision making power, and only the owner can determine the strong and transfer of the resources. The design of resources allows for the transfer of digital assets to be movement between storage location rather than a simple addition or subtraction of balance values between accounts, those avoiding re-entry and double spending attack. Okay, and then the Moop VM is a virtual machine sandbox for the Moop programming language where contract innovation are placed within the same sandbox. During this process, the security of the contract state is primarily isolated through the internal security of the programming language rather than relying on the virtual machine for isolation. And 1.3.3 verifiability. The Moop programming language adopt formal verification. Formal verification is a means of using digital tools to analyze and prove the security of a program. The previously mentioned is static calls and virtual machine sandbox and enhance the security of verification. And 1.3.2 ensure the security thought static calls, virtual machine sandbox, etc. The Moop language uses static calls with improved runtime security, solves the problems of dynamic calls and enhance network scalability. 1.3.4 flexibility. The flexibility of Moop is reflected in the ability to freely combine various transactions. Thought transaction script of achieve different functionalities where one script on can invoke multiple transactions by using generative programming. Moop ensure the scalability of contract and increase code reusability. Okay, so then Mango 1.315 contract composability. The composability of the Moop language comes from the design of its modulars. Upgrading and optimizing modular enable all other contracts that have used this modular to automatically use the latest version, accelerating the speed of upgrading and optimizing smart contract using the Moop language. Okay, and number 2, the technical difference of Solidity versus Moop. So transiting from Bitcoin script to Ethereum Solidity, undergoing the baptism of DeFi Solidity has undoubtedly is successfully. However, the security vulnerabilities of DeFi are also paying attention to how to ensure the security of on-chain assets has become a major issue that the entire industry so urgently needs to face. Behind these vulnerabilities, BM is also constantly patching up, such as fixing the original overflow issue, but it is difficult to make substantial improvement in the underlying design flaws. So unlike previous development experience, okay, and DeFi application are essentially open source and transparent financial system that have extremely high security requirements. So for financial scanners, designing a more secure, reliable, and user-friendly smart contract language may be a better choice. Okay, and then 1.3.5 contact compatibility. The composability of the move language comes from the design of modulars. Upgrading and optimizing modulars enable all other contact that have used this modular to automatically use the latest version, accelerating the speed of upgrading and optimizing smart contract using the move language. Okay, this is really amazing. And 1.4 is status quo of move series public exchange. Okay, the move language truly achieves the digitalization of asset and the hailed as one of the most suitable language for writing blockchain smart contract. It has been compared to the current mainstream language Solidity multiple times and has and has compared to the current mainstream language Solidity multiple times and has surpassed in the many aspects. The main reason is that Move provide a more fighting handling of the core token asset and blockchain compensation for Solidity shortcoming in intuitives and security. And this is really amazing. And the comparison of execution engine. Okay, this is our chart. And then currently the public chain based on the Move language is in the stage of ecological expansion, attracting more developers and users to join. Once an ecosystem is formatted, user can bring sustainable income. The more prosperous the ecosystem, the stronger the innovation ability and the more marginal benefit there will be. This is also the reason why public chain can become the core. Okay, and number 3, the mango challenges that need to be overcome urgently. Solidity syntax and expression method are complex. Traditional object oriented programming language like Java will become the best choice for novice developers to create Ethereum contract. However, due to complexity of Solidity, developers are unable to efficiently understand its syntax. So there are code security vulnerabilities in Solidity. So this is also major weakness of its competitiveness. There are many security vulnerability is Solidity due to improper usage, so developers need to be well prepared for security testing before writing contract in Solidity. Solidity still has challenges in terms of performance. So the performance of Solidity compared to relatively simple programming language like Python still need improvement. With the growth of Ethereum, there is also continuous increase in Ethereum based application. The performance issue of Solidity will affect the overall operational efficiency of Ethereum, so thereby increasing network load and reducing the overall security of the Ethereum network. And then so from the above, okay, from the above perspective, Solidity as the most popular smart contract developing language on Ethereum is powerful thought but not perfect move language emerged in the context. Okay, and then 3.2 pure strategic language. Dynamic dispatch is the cornerstone of Solidity and cross contract innovations are implemented through dynamic dispatch. It is also the entry point for most security vulnerabilities such as the DAO attack, polynetwork cross-chain attack, and so on. Given the real experience of Solidity, Mango Move adopts a completely pure static implementation to better ensure the security of on-chain assets. Okay, and then 3.3 formal verification, and formal verification, also known as FB formal verification, refer to the use mathematical tools on analyze the space of possible behaviors of a design rather than computing specific values of result. Mango moves comes with a formal verification tools that can be used to test and prove the uh, reliability of contact using mathematical methods. And 3.4 distributed storage. In the area of Web 3.0, users have ownership of data. Solidity stores contact data in centralized manner. Thought maps when a contact has a vulnerability and the contact owner permission are obtained, all user data will be compressed. Mango Move cleverly uses resource to store data is creators under each user account, ensuring both data security and to ownership of data by all network nodes. Okay. And number 3, Mango programming model. So 3.1 resource obtained programming. Mango Move has been especially enhanced for financial, social, and gaming scenarios, introducing resource oriented programming for common scenarios such as FT and NFT. Mango Move define data as resources, ensuring data security and at the virtual machine level. And 3.5 generic programming. For security reason, Mango Move has been designed as a purely static language, but this has not reduced its flexibility. Thought generic programming. Mango Move ensure the scalability of contact and increase code reusability. Okay, and then Mango blockchain is a very important system with a large amount of asset stored on the blockchain. Moreover, once these transactions on the blockchain are executed, they cannot be revoked or tampered with. It is necessary to ensure the normal operation of functions such as transaction storage on the chain. So Mango Move is a smart contract language that can be complete in run in a blockchain environment that has implemented Move. Be a Mango Move and the Move provider tools have emerged as a result. Okay, so encapsulates the concept of asset the language's level, avoiding the arbitrary generation and access of assets, greatly improving security. Byte verification goes before contract execution. Move differs from Solidity in terms of completer as an executable by bytecode language. Move has built-in security algorithm and bytecode verifiers which can prevent many common errors. The Move contract code must be verified before it can be executed, which allows the contract to be protected from potential compiler errors and possible attack. Move has been committed to establish a standardized culture from the very beginning with a standard library for each Move modular. The Move development team has initially developed a dedicated validator called Move Probable for contact verification. Okay, that's really good. And Mango Move core design concept, ensuring the security of a smart contract from the ground up. According to Slow Mist previous report, blockchain security incidents in 2021 resulted in losses exceeding 9.8 billion US dollar. As a emerging programming language, the Move language has also made breakthrough and innovation in terms of security at different levels. Just as what first class resources really means as digital assets are first class citizens, Move is a smart contract language designed for manipulating digital assets compared to other languages, MOOP has a more native and low-level handling of token assets. Really good. The MOOP languages specifically defines assets as a type of resources distinct from other data. In the context of blockchain, tokens are a type of resources and the data of the resources must be stored under an account during the transaction process. Assets must flow to a decentralized destination, either transferred to another address or destroyed. Tokens cannot be duplicated or double used. Solidity and most programming languages treat tokens as numerical variables where assets are simply numbers that can be added or subtracted when the balance of one address decreases, the balance of another address increases. By using code, the decreases and increase in numbers can be made consistent thought, ensuring the security of assets thought logical programming resource. Okay, and then encapsulate the concept of asset at the languages level, avoiding the arbitrary generation and access of assets, greatly improving security. Byte verification goes before contract execution. MOOP differs from Solidity in terms of compiler. As an executable bytecode language, MOOP has built-in security algorithm and bytecode verifiers which can prevent many common errors. The MOOP contract code must be verified before it can be executed, which allows the contract to be protected from potential compiler errors and possible attacks. MOOP has been committed to establishing a standardized culture from the very beginning with a standard library for each MOOP modular. The MOOP development team has initially developed a dedicated validator called MOOP Prover for contract verification. The MOOP languages are okay, and based on modular composability, the modularity of smart contract, which is more efficient and flexible, is another important feature for building a programming language ecosystem. The combination of smart contract in the Solidity and other language ecosystem is primarily based on message passing between interface, and in Mango MOOP in it is based on the combination of modules. So interacting thought, the transfer of resources thought, the combination of modules. Mango MOOP saves block space occupied by contract on one hand, so and makes upgrade, so it can effectively package and encapsulate the concept of digital assets, clearly separating the definition of resources from the behaviors related to resources. And Mango, this resource oriented programming bring about expressiveness and scalability that other languages cannot provide. So B-type system of Mango MOOP, due to a large amount of asset stored on the blockchain, the programming language of blockchain smart contract must provide security guarantee, and Mango MOOP in programming language designed for the blockchain that can provide better security. The type system of Mango MOOP provide many protection, and we emphasize their 3 point. First, type safety. second resource safety, and finally reference safety. The formal verification tools move Provel mainly provides more advanced and expressive method of representation versus structure words is a type and structure should have some kind of state unit specification per single function. Each program and each function must adhere to the corresponding specification and type safety. Summary move is strongly statically types language which strictly no type conversion. So in more details, every variable and expression in move has one and only one type. Okay, the type is no and compile time. The type can never be changed whatsoever. Okay, and then Mango more partial program code display. So current status of the move prober 100% open source and actively maintain it on GitHub. Fully automatic verification that implements mid specification runs only a little slower than a linter or other static analysis tools. Important for developer experience. 8,800 lines of code, 6,500 lines of specification, and verification complete in a few minutes. So enforce in continuous integration every change of move coordinates to pass the verification. And then look at field programming in move. So modular 0x1 account. So resources that can be stored in global storage is stock account has key balance U64 fund withdraw account address amount U64 record. Okay, all over this here everyone. So 5.1 type safety. Mango move is a strong type system and strictly guarantees that no type conversion can be done in any situation. Types cannot be converted between each other and there is only one type for each. This is guarantee provided by the Mango move type system. At 5.2 resource safety, one is to ensure the scarcity of resources. The okay, so abilities of copy and drop are dependent to ensure that a resource is not duplicated, which is determined by these two abilities. The other two abilities, key and store, determine the possible use cases for these resources, whether it can appear in a function and disappear after the smart contract ends, and whether it can be written on the blockchain. These two abilities also determines these. Mango move also encapsulate resources, and all code related to resources should be encapsulated in one module, ensuring that developers cannot package it into multiple modules for resource handling. Therefore, Mango move actually guarantee the security of resources in this aspect. Okay, and then programming language move has made security its top design goal in order to support Libra version as a financial infrastructure and empower billions of people worldwide. The security features of the move language can be divided into three level: language level, virtual machine level, and tools level. Okay, just 1 minute everyone. wait. Just wait, my catty and sweetie. Okay, so already I told about this. The formalization verification tools for Move is called Move Prover. The basic ideas. So basic idea is to use an automated triome prover in the formal verification domain to verify whether a program complies with a certain specification. This method requires user to have a detailed understanding of the program and operational logic, representing the program logic as a specification and conveying it to the verification system along with the program. Move defines a specification language called Move specification language, translated the following text into in us without explanation, convert Move programming and specification into bogey program using the Move to bogey compiler and intermediate verification language with formal schemes. Okay, so cute safety. In the Mango Move language, it is ensure thought code safety and follows the ownership rules of Rust. Any local variable in a function can be modified by only one process at any given time at the same time. For a global variable within the entire blockchain, there can only be one owner who can make changes for any given types. This is ensure thought Mango Moves reference safely. Okay, and resource safety. Summary Move ensures that there are no dangling reference to both function locals and global storage by ownership roles. In more details, any function local variable is uniquely owned at any time. Any global T is uniquely owned at any time. B uniquely owned, it means that a slot has at most one writer and no readers, or no readers are no writers. Okay, and 6.1 stock invariant. Okay, the invariance of a stock allow for a complex stock with multiple fields where there exists a relationship between different fields within the stock. The invariance of the stock allow for specifying the relationship between different fields which the currently non achievable by the type system. And we Mango formalist verification system as a new generation of smart contracts. So Mango outline. So stock invariance allows you to specify complicated relations among the field of a stock type which have no hold at runtime. So this set of specification for stock plus stock actual services as an enhanced type that can ensure the relationship between fields within the stock conform to a certain relationship. Okay, and many more. Okay, and then so triggered the execution will be terminated, which is the goal of function specification. And function specification, for people not familiar with formal verification, function specification can be loosely considered as executing until testing. Okay, and then the unit state is testing joke. The unit testing joke a software engineer works up to an ATM end. Okay, and 6.2.1 abort conditions. Move Prover provides an opportunity to express functions transaction in a more specialized manner, allowing developers to write a specification for functions. Thought the functions specification about condition is function specification modular work account, and then everything's here already. And assessment 2.2 post conditions. Okay, post condition is the running state of the program functions. And now Mango. On my live पे join हुआ है Sakura again. Angel, I thank you so much for coming my live stream. And Diabolic 27, thank you so much, and many more. Gate user, Typhon 82, and Laying, and AI Coin Daily, me 007, my lovely brother, thank you so much for coming my live stream. Shohagi Table 1, Fah Besier, Jalaluddin Rumi again, Vian Leon again, thank you so much. Insert Coin again, thank you so much for coming my live stream. Everyone, you also streamer, and that's me. Like me, so मेरी तरह आप भी स्ट्रीमर होना चाहती हो तो फिर मेरा कमेंट बॉक्स पर बता सकती हो, और मेरा टेलीग्राम आईडी पर आप नॉक करके भी बता सकती हो. मेरा टेलीग्राम आईडी का नाम है आर्थर, ARTHOR. आर्थर, मैं फिर से कह रही हूँ, मेरा टेलीग्राम का आईडी नाम है आर्थर, ARTHOR. उसको भी आप मुझे नॉक करके बता सकते हो. आप भी स्ट्रीमर होना चाहते हो तो फिर, और मेरा प्रोफाइल पर जाने के बाद मेरा स्ट्रीमिंग लिंक आपके लिए मैं छोड़ के गया हूँ. आप चाहो उसको भी फिलअप करने के बाद आप भी स्ट्रीमर होना पाओगे. ओके, may also post in my profile streamer link. Okay, streamer front link. You also be streaming can do. Then you also going to my profile, and you also see that my first post in pin is streaming from link. So you also fill up the from, and then you also be streamer, get this big streamer. Okay, so Evren 56, thank you so much for KR07, thank you so much. Shohagi 111, thank you so much. Everyone, thank you so much for coming my live stream. And right now, Mango modular blockchain. The Mango modular blockchain underlying code and contact layer code are programmed using the move language, decomposing blockchain functionality into different levels of network architecture. Traditional blockchain system typically integrate consensus settlement, data availability, and execution functionalities into a single architecture. However, with the increasing complexity and demand of blockchain application, a single architecture may not be able to meet the requirement of different scenarios. Therefore, Mango modular blockchain separated this core function, allowing each functional modular to operate independently while maintaining collaboration between them. This architecture makes the blockchain system more flexible and scalable, allowing for customization and optimization based on different needs. 6.23 precondition function specification. Precondition, which means that in addition to being able to write exception in certain situation, there will be change in the absence of exception when calling this function. This precondition condition must exist. Having a precondition can simplify exception condition. And 7.1 modular blockchain and monolithic blockchain. So the concept of Mango modular blockchain corresponds to a single page blockchain, and the two have significant difference in terms of functionality processing. So first, it is necessary to clarify the four core functions of blockchain. Number 1, execution, transaction, processing, and competition. Number 2, resolve, dispute, resolution, and bridging. Number 3, consensus, transaction, ordering. Number 4, data availability, ensure data is available. Mango modular blockchain is any chain that is part of the modular blockchain stack. By modularizing the blockchain and splitting of 4 functionalities into multiple specialist layers. The modular blockchain and stake consists of multiple layers of modular blockchain that depend on each other to create a system which all the above competes. Okay, and solving scalability is a major reason for promoting the modular development of blockchain without its sacrificing security and decentralization. Modular blockchain is not limited by the requirement to handle all functionalities by dividing them into multiple layers. Scalability can be achieved without sacrificing security and decentralization. This makes sustainable blockchain scalable and compatible with a decentralized multi-chain environment. Okay, and then 7.2 advantage of Mango modular blockchain. 7.21 sovereign protection. Although other layers are used, the Mango modular blockchain can have sovereignty like layer 1. This allow the blockchain to respond to hacker attack and push upgrade without any underlying permission. Essentially, a sovereign blockchain retain the ability to make critical decision based on social consensus, which are the most important except of blockchain as a social coordination mechanism. Okay, and one-chain infrastructure network. The Mango network is a layer 1 public blockchain which a multi-VM of chain in infrastructure primarily addressing multiple pain points such as fragmented user experience and liquidity in Web3 application and DeFi protocols. It integrates the core advantage of OP stake technology and move VM building an efficient blockchain network that supports cross-chain communication and virtual machine interoperability, providing developers and users with secure, modular, and high-performance Web3 infrastructure in today's blockchain landscape. So, efficient TQSOM stream integration is vital for the development for cross-chain and application by supporting multiple smart contract language and virtual mechanics multi-VM project. Dismantle and the technical barriers that divided a different blockchain ecosystem, offering DApps greater flexibility and information potential for large-scale DApps. Compatibility in a critical factors in ensuring success. This enhanced compatibility will not only fuel sustainable growth in the blockchain ecosystem but also pave the way for more groundbreaking application. As the market continue to mature, the multi-VM architecture is poised to play a pivotal role in the competition within the L1 space. 723 scalability, returning to the most fundamental issues. Okay, and then Mango. So, becoming a core defining force, the next wave 2 blockchain technology information. Okay, and 8.1 ML ABCXYZ. Thank you so much for coming my live stream. Bismillah, thank you so much. Sama, thank you so much, and many more great users. Thank you so much everyone for supporting me, and thank you so much for coming my live stream everyone. My dear lovely friend and lovely dear. Okay, and then Mango, an outstanding multi-VM omni-chain infrastructure network. Mango network L1 solution supported by the Move language provides developers and users with a resource modular and high performance Web3 infrastructure. It boasts a transaction processing speed of up to 297,450 TPS transactions per second and showcasing expectational performance while maintaining high standards of scalability on interoperabilities. So 8.2 core technology and principle of Mango network multi-VM omniscience infrastructure. Multi-VM parallel execution principle. Mango network handles one-chain transaction and smart contract calls using both the MOVE PM and EVM. virtual mechanics. Each VM is responsible for different type of contract and operation, but they are bridge thought cross-chain communication, enabling coordinated omnichain operations. A MoveVM, a specialist in assets management, complex contract logic, and parallel execution. MoveVM dynamically schedules transactions based on their state dependencies, ensuring non-conflicting transaction can be processed. Okay, and Mango. All over this year, everyone, and Savage Brickable 6, thank you so much for coming my live stream. Hidayat 99, thank you so much. Hate user, thank you so much. And Git user also, thank you so much for coming my live stream and also supporting me. Thank you so much, everyone. So Mango simul attention see the improves the both transaction throughput and overall execution efficiencies. B AVM as the core virtual machine in the Ethereum ecosystem. EVM widely compatible with smart contract. When integrated with OP, Mango EVM can transmit its transaction and contract events to Move VM for processing, enabling cross-chain contract invocation. So okay, all over this side, everyone. And now I'm going to Mango 8.3 core functionality, the internal logic and Mango network. OP Mango as a layer 2 network based on the OP stack and utilize EVM compatibility and handle user transaction requests. User can submit transaction and query block data thought nodes. OP Mango nodes pull secure transaction data from Ethereum's layer 1 network and broadcast its thought as pre-to-mid network, ensuring timely network synchronizations. Okay, the OptiMango network state remains consistent with Ethereum. The distinguishing feature of OptiMango is its cross-chain communication contract, which enables close interaction and settlement with the Move VM in the Mango network. This design allows the layer 2 network not only to support EVM but also to interact with okay. So I don't understand that CML1972. Why you link in my stream, bro? Why you link push in my stream? This is the my streaming. So don't try to be in bad language anywhere. So don't be smart and don't link in the comment section in my stream. Okay, my bro, don't do that. I don't like this scam or any fake link. You should be send in my comment section. I don't like this, bro. I don't like this. So my lovely friend, ignore it. CML is ये जो मेरा लाइव के अंदर जो बंदे लिंक देता है, ये एक बंदे है जो लिंक पुश करते हैं, यहाँ पे मत ओपन करना क्योंकि ये फिशिंग लिंक है. आपके अकाउंट खाली हो जाएगा, जिसके लिए मैं ये सजेस्ट करूँगा, डोंट ओपन दिस लिंक फॉर अननोन पर्सन. माय कमेंट सेक्शन सेंड द लिंक अननोन पर्सन, डोंट ओपन दिस लिंक. ओके एवरीवन. So now 8.4 technological type architecture advantage and market positioning. Positioning. Okay, within Mango network, the security features of MoveVM are fully harness design. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for coming my live stream. Happy for thank you so much. Coin Mars, thank you so much. 8 user, thank you so much. Jonathan Rumi, assalamu alaikum my brother, kaise ho aap? Thank you so much for coming my live stream and also supporting me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother. Alright, now I talk about that Mango network MGO project. Okay, so Mango not only ensure asset security but also resolves liquidity fragmentation within the Move ecosystem, effectively bridging the gap with the Ethereum virtual machine EVM ecosystem. Thought this innovative approach, Mango Network achieves a harmonious balance of asset security and liquidity, establishing a robust technical foundation for developing a comprehensive on-chain transaction infrastructure. So 9.1.2 multi-chain development status application can choose to deploy on multiple chains, allowing user on different chains to access the services provided by the application. From the point of view of the application itself, it is possible to scale up the businesses and increase the revenue of the protocol. For example, AABVA, okay, and well-known lending protocol has developed to application on 6 chains. Okay, everyone. And Moon King, mine, nice work. Thank you so much, Moon King, for my coming my live stream. Thank you so much, my lovely brother. Thank you so much. और मैं सभी के लिए मैं ये कहूँगा, आप भी मेरी तरह से स्ट्रीमर होना चाहते हो तो फिर मेरा कमेंट बॉक्स पर आकर बोल सकती हो, और उसके साथ साथ आप पर्सनली मुझे बात करना चाहती हो, स्ट्रीमर होने के लिए बात करना चाहती हो, तो फिर मेरा टेलीग्राम आईडी पर आप नॉक कर देना। मेरे टेलीग्राम आईडी का नाम है आर्थर, ARTHOR, आर्थर। मैं फिर से कह रही हूँ, मेरा टेलीग्राम आईडी का नाम है आर्थर, ARTHOR। अब उसको भी वही पर जाने के बाद भी मुझे कमेंट कर सकती हो, नॉक कर सकती हो, और ये भी कमेंट कर सकती हो कि आप भी स्ट्रीमर होना चाहते हो। और ये भी याद रखा, मेरा प्रोफाइल पर जाने के बाद मैं स्ट्रीमिंग फ्रॉम लिंक ऑलरेडी छोड़ के गया हूँ, आप चाहो उसको फिलअप करने के बाद भी स्ट्रीमर हो सकती हो। समझ गए हो आप? एनी गाइडलाइन चाहिए जी, कोई भी गाइडलाइन आपको चाहिए स्ट्रीमर होने के लिए, क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा, क्या करोगे आप, एनी गाइडलाइन आपको चाहिए तो फिर ज़रूर मुझे बता सकते हो। समझ गए हो आप? तो इसी के लिए मैं आपको ये कह रही हूँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई, हेलो। এই তো প্রায় শেষ, 5 মিনিট। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, থ্যাঙ্কস। ওকে ভাই। Okay everyone, already I closing my live stream everyone. You also see that all over this year, already all over this year everyone. So right now I closed in the place, and then I'm again and first page get will initially list Mango Network MGO Sport Trading stake ETH MGO in LAUNCHPOOL to earn MGO early. Get will list Mango Network MGO for sport trading 9 on June 24 2025 UTC to reward our users. You can stake ETH MGO in Mango Network MGO LAUNCHPOOL to earn 60 lakh 4 lakh MGO, okay, 16 billion MGO airdrop for free with and reward distributed every hour. And Mango Network MGO Sport Trading start June 24 2025 9 UTC. Okay everyone, and then unlocking rules 100% unlock and get launchpool allows user to stake early. You can stake your asset before the title project the project officially launch, ensuring the you start earning reward immediately once mining begin. And reward distribution, the system will distribute token rewards to user sport account every hour based on the proportion of asset staked by each user. Okay, all over this here everyone. And then project information provided by the Mango Network MGO team. Please follow the Mango Network MGO website for more details. Introduction: Mango Network is layer 1 within the multi-BM chain omni-chain infrastructure, primarily addressing multiple pain points such a fragmented user experience to liquidity in Web3 application and DeFi protocol. It integrates the core advantage of move, obstacle and ZK rollup, building an efficient blockchain network that support across chain communication and multiple virtual machine. So interoperabilities both support Move BM and EVM SBM, providing developers and users with secure, modular and high performance Web3 infrastructure. Token name Mango Network, token is well MGO. Okay, all over this side everyone. And right now I'm going to notes and then close in my live stream. Okay everyone, so Get Launchpool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GTBTC, TSC, USDT or other token or earn early airdrop and of hot and new coins with low entry, various and high APR. It's the ultimate platform of effortlessly capturing market opportunities. And number 2, please complete identity verification before the participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assets. And number 3, please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behaviors on prohibited and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. Okay, and number 4, everyone just focus in my line. So where any discrepancy areas between the translated version and the original English version, in the English version shall prevail. And then number 5, get reserved all right to the final explanation. And number 6, and the event is not efficient, the appliance. And number 7, the user in the United Kingdom to other restricted location cannot access the services including the participating in this event, game or competing. See the user agreement for further details on restricted location. Okay, thank you so much for coming my live stream everyone. Thank you so much. Right now I close in my live stream everyone. सो जो बंदे मेरा लाइव के अंदर बहुत ही समय दिया है सभी के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया है. सो मैं अभी क्लोज कर रही हूँ मेरे लाइव के अंदर. गुड बाय, सी यू अगेन टुमारो नेक्स्ट लाइव एंड नेक्स्ट मार्केट एनालिसिस live stream. Okay, so right now I close in my live stream everyone. Assalamu alaikum and thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for coming my live stream everyone.